Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is April the 1st, 2021. You guys can already tell we're going to break down a price prediction for Airbnb. Now, if today is your first time ever viewing our content and you all see how valuable this information is, before you head out, make sure you hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. We're here to show you where we're expecting price to go, how to predict the market so you can do it for yourself, and how to be unconfused at what is actually going to happen into the market. All right. So first, before I talk about Airbnb and our last price prediction for that stock, I wanted to show you that we went ahead and closed out our option position for the commodities company right here at $22. The reason being is because from what we've seen in the market for commodities is weakness. All right, we went ahead and got rid of our prediction on our last video, so that's why you don't see our price prediction. But this market right here at $29 continues to emphasize that it's weakness. And once we saw that in the market yesterday, we decided to go ahead and take out that profit in our option in the commodities. Option play was a call that we did, and we decided to go ahead and take it out at $22 profit. All right, so let's go ahead. I just wanted to break that down to you real quick so that we can keep everything on the table, fully transparent with you all about how to continually win and profit in the market. So now we was talking about Airbnb, right? So let's go back to Airbnb real quick. And this is our last price prediction, which was on March the 21st. It's when we did our price prediction. The video is still there on our YouTube channel. And we expected the market to go higher in price, but even then, you could go back and listen to our video. We told you all that we really weren't feeling too bullish into the market for Airbnb. We wasn't. And literally that Monday, right here on the 22nd, was the only opportunity you had to actually catch the market go higher. Since then, the price in Airbnb has been going to the downside. So if you didn't see the video after, or if you weren't able to get into position after March 22nd, it's one of those quick opportunities. You get in, you get out the store. You can't stay or overstay your welcome. This happened relatively quick. So we had our TP around $200, which was around 2.94%, closer towards 205, we said, which was around 5.25. Market topped out on that particular day at 203.30. So yeah, it goes that way. But now we need to update the chart because obviously some things has occurred into the market in Airbnb that we need to talk about. And it's because of these reasons right here. At first, you guys can see that Airbnb kept the trend intact back here on March the 4th. But right here on March the 24th, 20 days into the market confirming that ascending line, it broke it. So again, we should not be under the premise that Airbnb is still in an upward trend. It's not right now. But if anything, what we have into the market in Airbnb is a very wide trading channel. That's it. This is where we're at in Airbnb as of this moment. We are in a trading channel, and you can see it for what it is. I mean, the market started here at support around 170, hit restriction at 112 relatively quick, and we've been bouncing ever since then. Right? That is what the market currently is giving us. So we have to see it for what it is and try to anticipate what would be the most profitable way to win in this particular market. So let's see real quick in Airbnb on the 3-day time frame. The market is not overly weak. It's not overly strong, which kind of lets me know that this particular market may continue to trade within the trend, that we may continue to see it bounce in between our two horizontal lines. On the 5-day time frame, again, these two 5-day price bars almost look identical, and it happened at the same price point, right? So let's just know that we got buyers coming to the market in Airbnb at around 170 to 175. Those are where the buyers are currently at in the market for Airbnb. Looking at this on a weekly time frame, it looked pretty good. I'm not too concerned in the sense of where the market in Airbnb is going to go. Still seeing the market strength play out here in Airbnb. Three weeks time frame, same thing. Now the 3 weeks time frame, I am definitely seeing a lot of weakness. So in the next 15 days, if we close higher than what these last 2-3 week price bars reveal, then the market in Airbnb is definitely going to try to break all-time highs in the long term. Okay, I'm just letting you know that now. Monthly time frame, not too much going on. The market literally just looks to continue to trade sideways in this particular fashion. So what do you all expect the market in Airbnb to do? We went through varying time frames. We're looking at the market on different time frames to try to gauge as to whether or not this market has enough legs to continue to see higher price movement. And currently it does. Okay, but how high do you think it's going to go? 196, $200 again. Yeah, the two areas of restriction that I see right now is what, 192 to like 195, 196. So let me see, what is the percentages on that? 2%, maybe around 4%, 4.25%. That's about it. So yeah, we're still going to play the strength though into the market in Airbnb. Let me see this too. All right, cool. So yeah, we're going to play the strength into the market in Airbnb. The reason is that this ascending line also is confirming that the trap is trying to continue to increase the price, right? We did that on the 26th of March to start the overall trend. We was able to see the market come and try to touch that line again on the 5th of March. So this is the ascending trend that the market in Airbnb is going through. It's not as strong as the last previous one, but it's there. And we can utilize that going forward into the market in Airbnb. My only concern would be for us to see this market fail to break this descending line, which it is trying to do now. All right, so let's do this real quick. I'm going to play the strength into the market in Airbnb. And we're going to hold that support area around 170 into the market. And we would TP out the market around 200 again, and around $200, which is around 6.25%. But we can bring this up here towards $203.50. Okay. So this is going to be our play into the market in Airbnb. Not seeing too much. Literally, the market is still trading within our two lines, so we're still expecting that to occur in the long term, i.e., 3 weeks, 1 month, 2 month time frame. And then eventually we should have a breakage either to the upside or to the downside that we can calculate and see where we're heading next. But overall, the market is definitely hinting that it wants to go higher in price. And that's it. Questions, comments, let us know. Give us your price prediction for Airbnb with a comment in the comment section. And let's not make it confusing. There's enough of that already about in this space. Make sure you maintain a profitability. Now, trade different.